When done under the right conditions and when performed properly, veneers can be some of the most beautiful, long-lasting restorations that we provide in dentistry. You can basically change anything that you don't like about your smile under the right conditions with veneers, whether it is you don't like the color of your teeth or the length of your teeth or the size of your teeth, the shape of your teeth. All of that can be perfected with porcelain veneers. So a lot of times we get the same question: Are veneers going to ruin my teeth? You know, do you sacrifice something now and then pay for it later? And the truth is that done under the correct conditions and by the proper person, dental veneers can be one of the strongest, most beautiful, undetectable, longest lasting dental restorations that we do. And so some of that does depend on the patient and on their daily maintenance. You know, they've got to be cared for just like anything, just like your natural teeth do, really. And that's going to affect how long they go. I emphasize when veneers are done properly and when they're done under the right conditions. Veneers aren't always the way to achieve that perfect smile that someone's looking for. It's one of the arrows in the quiver of the archer, if you will. And sometimes you can achieve results with cosmetic bonding. You can sometimes do it with orthodontic movements such as Invisalign, and many times with a combination of those. For every case of veneers that I do, I have another case of someone who thought they needed veneers to achieve their ultimate goal, and we were able to do it in another way.